my whole view about everything is, I read in paper the other day, the commissioner of police said that they ain't got enough police in Barbados due to the fact that before you become a police, you got to go through a whole series of tests, drug tests, you know, different tests. But one of the main things they must do is one of the lie detectors tests. They call it a polygraph or something like that. Yeah. I feel that whenever a minister is elected to represent any part of Barbados, whether it be Prime Minister, Minister of Finance, Minister of anything, should come before the public and get one of them same tests done to them. Ask them questions like, you can carry people money, you can help poor people, you can develop culture, you can develop this, you can help people. Put them in front of the public and let them do one of them same tests and see how much politicians we gonna got. We ain't got none. Just like we ain't got no police, we ain't got no politicians. No BLP, no DLP. None of them.
That's right.
Put it to the test. I dare them. Put it to the test.